Hi, my name is Jacqueline Roberts, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854, School Finance. So I live in Denver, Colorado, and work at Prospect Valley Elementary, which is located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, so about 10 miles west of downtown Denver. Um, and I have been teaching for 8 years, and I'm seeking this degree. Um, I've actually struggled over these 8 years as to deciding what I would get my master's in. Um, I've always considered administration, and then last year I had a principal who really thought I would be good in this role, and he was kind of the final nudge to get my master's in administration. Um, and this kind of rolls into the next question of what is my background. My biggest mentor, I guess you could say, I'd never worked with him side by side, but my high school principal was amazing. His name is Frank DeAngelis. He was the principal of Columbine High School, and he was just a phenomenal leader and community builder and just an incredible role model. And so um, I've seen what positive can come of a really good school administrator. Um, my strengths and weaknesses regarding school finance, I actually really do enjoy math. I do think that the scale of which finance happens in a building is probably something I've never come close to really looking at. But I do think I'm pretty good at managing money and looking at the whole picture and um, utilizing money well. Um, and I'm excited to learn more because I don't know a ton about school finance, but like I said, I do enjoy math, and I think I'm a pretty good planner and good at organization. So I think that I can be successful in this area. So look forward to learning with you guys, and see you later.